Hello cocktail enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of mixology with the Godmorn 15-piece cocktail shaker set, a must-have for both beginners and seasoned bartenders. This comprehensive set includes everything you need to craft the perfect cocktail, featuring a 550 ml stainless steel shaker, a double jigger, straws, a strainer, an opener, a stopper, spoon straws, pourers, ice tongs, and a stylish bamboo stand to keep your bar area organized. Made from premium 304 stainless steel, these tools are built to last, resisting rust, corrosion, and discoloration, and they're easy to clean with just warm soapy water. The included recipe book, translated into 5 languages, offers 30 cocktail recipes like margaritas, mojitos, and Bloody Marys, making it easy to impress your friends with expertly crafted drinks. With its professional design, this set ensures you can mix complex drinks quickly and efficiently, without any mess or poorly mixed ingredients, thanks to its built-in strainer and secure seal. Whether you're looking to elevate your home bar or find the perfect gift for a cocktail lover, this set is an ideal choice for birthdays, anniversaries, or any special occasion. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.